What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Market up or market down. It looks like it was up a nickel. I looked at it earlier and it was flat. So either way, we're not doing anything. Check out the brokerage. Nothing happened. We did have an update, but nothing crazy. Mostly in cash. All the day trades intact. So that's it for the public account. If you're new to the stock market, consider closing off the video right now. And leave a like on your way out. Make sure you're subscribed if you're new. The bag holders, let's push forward. This is going to be a quick one. I did sell another option today. So let's take a look there. And otherwise out of money. But I used the options premium to buy more monthly income. So my income just went up today. I secured in $11 per contract. So for the 27 strike. So by tomorrow, Friday, I'm looking to see if silver closes above or below the 27. Now the good news about this kind of a play is I have 100 shares per contract of this silver. All right. I'm okay holding silver. I don't think it's like a bad word or anything. I think it's fine. So I don't really care what happens, right? Now, and when you're new to the wheel strategy or something similar like that, you may think it's foolproof. It is not, I assure you, because if the price goes far away from 27, there will be no premium, right? So there's risk there. I could have sold it today for the 27, just got out of risk and started looking for a put again, but I'm okay to play it this way and just hang on to it. It's not a big deal. Don't have any other cash in the main account, so that's that. We did have some activity in the day trade account, actually quite a bit, and this marks a very cool day in the account because I ran all the money through the account. This is the cash account, and once the money gets run through, it has to clear again. And I ran out of cash, so that's a good thing. Go ahead and get my cost basis. We're going to start here with gold. And I did make an error today. This is another thing about having a job. It makes it harder to kind of keep your stuff together. Also keep in mind, not all of these are like really big gainers. That's not the purpose. This is kind of like a scalping strategy. The positions get bigger, which is actually bad for your risk to reward. But you mitigate the risk by changing the time frames. So probably not optimal, right? But that's okay. This is for fun. I didn't put a lot of money in this account, but enough to get her going. And I think it's doing really well. I've been really thinking about adding more money to the account. We've been doing this strategy for a little while. We've talked about the day trade stuff for a while. I have some data to back it up. But sometimes it's hard to find money when you do as much as I do in the investing space. So I definitely want to feed the ones that are performing the best, though. You know what I mean? So maybe we move something around. I don't know. For right now, there's no point. But the good news is, no matter what the gains are, I'm in cash. All right. So we got a big bout back in cash, which means the risk is low, right? It's about risk management. And I should have liquidity to get into some of these bigger positions. So as we started off, we've got gold. And I've got all the cost basis typed in. Again, it's a little weird the way it works. But it looks like this was 0.34% gainer, so nothing major there. Next up was the bonds, and I made a mistake. Here you can see it on the 5-minute. And I'm still getting used to this brokerage. It's not automatic yet. So you can see here in the morning time where the buys were. But I sold by accident and then started buying some more. So we're still hanging on to a position here, as you can see with the alert up there. But I pulled some profits out. I was in profits at least. TQs. Got to sell in. That was 1.07%. And you can see from 30 to the 70 right here at the open. SPXL, similar story as you would expect, right? Now remember, the market was flat today. I pulled all this cash out, see? So this ends up being alpha. All right, now we have some math to do on silver. Looks like we had a bit of a position here. You can see the peak here from the 30 to the 70. Very simple strategy. I like it. This is not like a strategy you should emulate for, for your end game, because you can't scale this as big as the swing trades and stuff. This was another about break even, 0.11%, but it got me out of the stock and into cash. Where the positions are smaller, I can get the bigger gains when they work in my favor. So as we always do, let's take a look and see how we're matching up versus the benchmark here. And it's not perfect, but I'm just matching it based off of the cash that we pulled out versus what we started the month with. And 2.379, so 2.37% is what we're up on the trading account, and the market is up 1.37. So you can see there's alpha there. There's reasons and what fors why I'm doing this, and it's really fun. And the reason I went back to work was to get the charity going, and because my time was not that valuable during the day. But that was before I developed this strategy. And should my time become more valuable doing this strategy, then I would exit the workforce again. So I'm thinking about that. I'm going to try to be a little conservative about it, but that may happen in the future. So if you like to see that kind of stuff and you like to see it live during the day, let me know down below. I have the Twitch already set up and everything, and could do on exciting days, but that's kind of going through my head. I'm not looking to make money off of that stuff, but just to share. So that's what we have. A nice, quick, easy day. You can go through the stuff if you want. I don't have any money. I need something to sell. And just remember this, that the stocks I buy, when the stock market starts going down, like it did at the end of the day, you don't watch it, look, whoop, hey, up all day, and then bam. So I've got a short position I'd like to get rid of, but also think of as the market rolls over, since it's heavily weighted in tech, I do not buy a lot of tech. A lot of my value stocks, at least initially, will start to go up as people move money from tech into safe haven dividend stocks, which is just where I stay all the time. So I'm excited for tomorrow and into next week. Remember, Monday is a holiday, and that's that. So as the market comes down, it makes it easier to beat the market. Tomorrow's a big day to see how we end up, and then we will have statements a week or two later. So I'm excited to share everything with you. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new here, and we're just going to cut it off right here. Have an awesome evening. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.